How you guys doing? I'm James.
I'm Jonas.
And we are here to bring you some very important information.
From our good friend, Mr. Pusiat, the guy with the big bob in Miami. Probably seen him in the
You know that guy.
tall guy.
He's having a conference. It's called the Haitian Hustler Conference.
It is happening on January 18th, 2020.
Very important information.
Very.
We're talking about branding, selling,
marketing, business.
It's all the type of things that you would need to be a very successful entrepreneur.
All the things that Haitians need to be very successful, because we not business, and man, this is important.
Come on down.
Get the information. A lot of you guys do have your own business. A lot of you guys do have marketing, and you need some strategies. This is to, not entertain you, but inform you on how to get all that more polished and sharpened for some Haitians out there.
Come on now. It's going to be all types of things. Guest speakers, really, really good speakers. Surprise. Not going to tell you who. Just come out.
Just come out, find out. It's happening at the Little Haiti Cultural Complex in Miami, of course. Tickets will be on sale at the HaitianHustler.com. Get your tickets, please, please, please. And thanks. Again, if you got a business, if you need marketing strategies, help ideas, things like that, this is the conference for you. The Haitian Hustler Conference, brought to you by our partner, our man,
Pusiat.
The man's name is Dust, meaning he's going to dust you off because you got rust. So we're going to dust the dust off.
His name really is.
It's Dust.
Wow,
That's you. Who wouldn't want to learn from Dust?
I wouldn't want to learn from Dust. It's Dust, though.
It's Dusty.
I don't want to.